Did you know that with the power of AI, you can create hit songs and potentially make $450 a day posting them online? Let me break it down for you. So, first off, let's talk about the massive audience potential. Imagine 154 million people listening to one song making a staggering $500,000. But wait, it gets even better. This particular song was streamed by a whopping 1.3 billion people, making it the most streamed Jamaican song of all time. Mind blowing. Today, thanks to the beginner friendly AI platform, dreams can be resurrected. You don't need to be a seasoned singer or songwriter. AI can handle the heavy lifting from crafting lyrics to creating beats. So, how do you make $450 a day? Let's break it down into three simple steps. On step number one, write a hit song and you know what we are going to target. Yes, it's kids, and focus on that niche because kids are a lot more forgiving and certainly less judgmental. We are going to use this prompt in ChatGPT. Give me kids educational song title ideas. And guys, you can see we got several here from that prompt. We are going to choose the first one, which is ABC Adventure. So next you are going to enter a prompt in ChatGPT. Write me a catchy inspirational educational song for kids titled ABC Adventures. You can obviously replace the song we are creating with whichever song you are going to be creating in the prompt. So step number 2, create your song. Utilize AI platform